there's been something great from Vaillant hanging on the wall since 2006. Back then, in the year Italy won the World Cup and a new social media platform called Twitter was launched, most commercial boilers were big beasts, inefficient and awkward to install. By 2008, over half the market was wall-hung, and even though Vaillant had only been operating in the commercial sector for 2 years, it was already leading the way in the wall-hung market. Vaillant was looking to the future. Instead of following the market, it was actively changing it. Vaillant removed all non-condensing boiler models from its commercial range 3 years before legislation forced manufacturers to ditch them. By 2013, the wall-hung market had grown substantially. At this time, 68% of all commercial boilers were on the wall, and Vaillant's share had risen to 18%. Since then, Vaillant has consistently delivered innovation, as its customers have been driven to focus on energy efficiency and performance instead of raw power. Technology, materials and controls have changed beyond recognition, with system design being a crucial part of any project. Specifiers and installers expect flexibility and solutions for installations, whilst also needing to reduce operational costs for their customers. Throughout all this, Vaillant's reputation in both the domestic and commercial sectors has been second to none. So, this latest development is the next big step. The new ecoTEC Plus 48 and 64 kilowatts are the first high-output boilers Vaillant have made in the UK and are suitable for both domestic and commercial applications. Unusually compact, light, efficient and easy to install, they look just like regular domestic wall-hung boilers. This means domestic installers can look forward to installing these new boilers in much larger homes or even light commercial locations, and commercial installers can offer clients a product that is much more compact without compromising on performance. Plus, they offer flexibility, making them the perfect solution in technically difficult and restrictive refurbishment projects. These great new products provide real business opportunities for loyal Vaillant installers, both commercial and domestic. ecoTEC Plus, the best for both worlds.